वनक्कम, नमस्ते, सलाम वालेकुम। मैं हूँ आपका बैकपैकर मिल्चिस। तो फ़िलहाल मैं बैठा हूँ मेरे हॉस्टल के लॉन में। ये बाहर का सीटिंग एरिया है, बहुत ठंड लग रहा है और पी रहा हूँ ब्लैक कॉफ़ी। जब से ऐसा ट्रिप पे हूँ ना, तब से मिल्क कॉफ़ी बहुत रेयरली पी रहा हूँ और पी रहा हूँ तो भी सिर्फ लाइक होटल में ही पी रहा हूँ। बट मैं यहाँ पर अडेप्ट हो गया हूँ ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पे, तो मैं अभी ज़्यादा करके ब्लैक कॉफ़ी पीता हूँ। तो मैं अभी जा रहा हूँ यहाँ के एक फ्रेंड से मिलने और शायद से कुछ लोकल डिश भी ट्राई करूँगा और थोड़ा बहुत सिटी को रात में भी एक्सप्लोर करूँगा। नाइट लाइफ नहीं दिखाने वाला हूँ, नाइट लाइफ सेपरेट वीडियो में दिखाऊंगा। इफ़ आई गेट अ चांस देन डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई सम सर्बियन लोकल डिश, बिकॉज कल जब मैं टूर पे गया था तो वो गाइड ने मुझे ना 3-4 डिश सजेस्ट किया है। तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंडी लग रहा है। मैं जो भी कंट्री जा रहा हूँ वहाँ पर अभी फ़िलहाल विंटर सीज़न ये आई मीन नवंबर के बाद आप कोई भी कंट्री चले जाओ लाइक इन सेंट्रल एशिया और मीन्स यूरोप में भी, तो सब जगह विंटर ही चलता है। तो सर्बिया का विंटर भी ठीक ठाक है। लाइक दी टेम्परेचर इज़ अराउंड लाइक बिटवीन 4 to 12 डिग्री सेल्सियस, बट बहुत ही ज़्यादा ठंड है। सो गाइज, राइट नाउ आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन द रिपब्लिक स्क्वायर एंड आई एम विद वन ऑफ द प्रेटीएस्ट लेडी ऑफ बेलग्रेड। व्हाट्स her name?
Anna.
Anna. So Anna, tell something about you.
Okay, I'm Anna, and I'm here to start my YouTube career with one of the most famous YouTubers in India.
Not famous,
right?
like I have just started. But first of all, I would like wish you good luck for your YouTube career. Like, so which channel?
Just kidding, I don't want to. But this would be a good start.
Okay.
I wanna be a weekend lover. Yeah, I'ma be the best.
Yeah, like you will also get some good amount of experience in this, and also like you will gain some confidence living in camera. So guys, now we'll go to some traditional restaurant, right?
Yeah.
So हम लोग पहले traditional restaurant जाएंगे and we will try some Serbian traditional food which you have to suggest me, and then we'll walk around somewhere.
Oh, so I wanted to ask you, what was the idea behind starting a YouTube channel and everything?
Okay, first of all, I had a passion of traveling, and I couldn't travel much because as a student I didn't had enough money to travel. But then when I started earning, I thought it's the time. So I started and I had a passion about YouTube also. I wanted to show how the world looks and how cheap it is to travel around the world.
Yeah.
So basically I am a budget traveler, so in my every videos I just go to some budget restaurants and some hostels which is kind of cheap. This is my third country and hoping to travel more. And what about you? How many countries have you traveled?
I don't wanna meet your mother. Never ever ask me how.
Well, I've traveled to, I don't know the number.
Okay.
I've been to Tunis, Canada,
Okay.
Greece,
Oh.
Montenegro, of course. It's
Okay.
near Serbia. I've been to Turkey, Bulgaria, Italy.
Which one was your favorite country among those?
Well, I love Canada.
Oh.
It's my favorite country, but beside that, maybe Italy.
Italy,
the language,
yeah.
people, food, drinks, everything.
Okay. And one more, I was curious about that. Like, how did you learn English? Was it in your school or?
Well, I started learning English when I was maybe 3
Okay.
or 4.
Okay.
I'm not sure.
Uh-huh.
And then, you know, I practiced it a lot.
Okay.
And I've been to Canada, so I practiced it there with the native speakers and everything. So basically, since I was 3 or 4, I was speaking English all the time. I was watching cartoons, I was watching movies and everything in English. So yeah.
That's why your English is so fluent. So like you're basically from Serbia or?
Yeah, I'm from Serbia.
Okay. You completed your studies, everything over here only?
Yeah, everything here.
Okay. I was doing a bachelor's of engineering. I completed my engineering of 4 years. Then I started to work as a software engineer. Now I'm a programmist. So right now I'm on a vacation. I am on a vacation, so I travel, I make vlogs.
Not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened.
So you're a student.
Yeah.
So like what are you studying right now?
I'm studying Arabic
Arabic. Okay.
at the philology college.
Okay. So like what's your future plan?
Well, my major, I think it's kind of major. I'm studying Moroccan now, beside Arabic.
Okay.
So my plan would be to maybe go to Morocco for a couple of months, couple of years maybe,
Okay.
to speak it there. And
Okay.
I'm not sure after that.
Oh, damn. I'm surprised that she is a student, and I had like a couple of questions. So how's the student life in Belgrade? Do you usually bunk school, bunk your lectures and go outside to party?
Yeah, usually yeah.
And
especially now when it's online.
okay, and what if your parents find that out?
Oh, they're not gonna find that out.
Like
no,
what if? Will they punish you or like how's that?
No, in my case, my parents wouldn't punish me. You know, they would just give me a hard time. You know, college is #1. It has to be number one.
Okay.
So they will not punish me, but you know, it's not that I can do whatever I want, but you know, I'm kind of grown.
What you can do, make a move.
How the dating culture works over here? Dating culture, yeah.
Well, of course you've heard of Tinder, right?
Yeah.
And Badoo,
yeah.
Everything. People use that here. Or maybe, you know, if you know a friend from a friend, you meet someone at the bar, you meet someone at the club.
Okay, so is it that easy to go and approach a female or a male in a pub or a bar?
Well, it would be. I wouldn't mind if someone approached me, you know, even if I wasn't interested, I would still have a good conversation with someone, you know. It's not a bad thing, it's a compliment if someone approaches you, so...
People won't get offended like if you're going...
Not.
Okay.
Usually not. You know, of course there are some exceptions.
Like, yeah, like it depends on your luck. It depends on the person whom you're going and approaching. The parents react when you're dating a guy.
Oh, well, my parents are cool with that.
Oh, they're very cool?
Yeah, they are cool, you know. I just have to make the right choice, of course.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm sure there are some people here, because Serbia is generally a traditional country.
Okay.
And, you know, it is kind of important in some families that it should be a Serbian Christian guy and everything, but now it's like 2021, it's not a big deal.
She's so good in front of camera. She's not even feeling shy and she's so much confident. Usually, you know, like people when they see someone is vlogging, people will stare at the camera. हम लोग बाहर बैठे थे और यहाँ पर है ना क्वेटर को पता भी नहीं चला कि हम लोग इधर बाहर बैठे, कोई आया ही नहीं, 10 मिनट हो गया। तो अभी है ना अंदर गई है उनको बताने के लिए कि like we are sitting outside, come and take the order.
Yeah, well, I would suggest the cevapi. It's like minced meat. Mixed meat.
Mixed meat, okay.
And minced. Like, it's rolled up.
Okay.
It's really delicious.
Okay, sure. Okay, Walter Cevap.
Yeah.
This one, right?
Yeah.
Walter Cevap.
You can have like 5 pieces or 10. Yeah, this one.
How do you pronounce that?
Srpska. Srpska.
Sir, which cities of India do you know?
I know New Delhi.
Okay. Okay. Hi. So what is this? Name of this dish?
It's cevapi.
Cevapi. And like something is stuffed inside, I guess. Like
Yeah,
is it?
it's the cevapi. This is the bread. And
Okay.
inside there is cevapi. You can open it here. Okay, so this is like the bread. It's called lahinja.
Okay.
And inside,
Oh, these are also known as meatballs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have tried in Albania.
it's delicious.
Okay.
And this is called Serbian salad.
Okay.
Srpska salad.
Can you just pronounce it again?
Srpska.
Srpska. Okay. So in that no meat is added, like it's pure vegetarian salad.
Yeah, just veggies. Bread. Meat.
Very tasty.
The waiter should give us kaimak.
Kaimak, what is that?
It's like
So like we can dip in that.
yeah, we can dip it. It's really good.
Yeah. What did you say? What is that? Kaimak.
Kaimak, it's like cheesy and creamy.
Okay. इसके साथ कुछ चटनी नहीं दिया है तो हम लोग सोच रहे कि like in India we call it as a chutney. Chutney, like whenever we are eating or any dish, we want just to dip in that and it that will give some amount of spiciness.
Yeah.
Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body. The way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make your.
तो यार मैंने ना ये अल्बानिया में भी ट्राई किया था ये जो मीट बॉल्स है ना, ये मैंने अल्बानिया में ट्राई किया था और ये बहुत टेस्टी है। बट ये कुछ नया है, लाइक रोटी या तंदूरी रोटी कह सकते हो, उसके अंदर इसको स्टफ करके दिया है। और ये लोग कुछ अजीब, और इसको हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, रोटी को अलग कर रहे हैं, फिर इसको रोटी में डुबा रहे, फिर खा रहे हैं। मैं आप लोग Indian, we are not used to this kind of food. Usually in India, how we'll eat, I will show you one. Yeah, I will just show you one. What we usually do, like we will just, and then if we have any, like as you said, some chewa, we will dip in that and. Yeah, they are like very used to that.
Yeah, I know. I've heard that about Indians and also Arabic people.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Cottage cheese?
Yeah. Maybe.
तो ये एक चीज़ है, हम लोग अभी इसमें डुबा के खाएंगे।
Put it here.
Okay. Yesterday my guide told that in Belgrade you get one more cheese which is known as cow cheese.
Cow cheese.
Yeah. In Serbian language, if you are meeting a person, suppose if I am meeting a person in a bar or a club or anywhere, I just want to go and approach them, like what should I say in Serbian language, so that they can be impressed.
Ciao.
Ciao means hi, right?
Yeah. Ciao. It's casual.
Ciao, I'm like, it's an Italian word or?
Yeah. They have like a more ch sound. Ciao. And we're like just ciao.
Ciao. Okay, in Serbia also we have a ciao.
Yeah, ciao.
Ciao.
Da li bi želeo?
Da li bi želeo?
Želeo.
Želeo.
Ž.
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 Yes. Ž.
Ž.
Želeo.
Želeo.
Da budeš
Da budeš
u mom videu.
u mom videu. Da li bi želeo? Then?
Da budeš
Da budeš
u mom videu.
u mom video. Da li bi želeo? I forgot that middle one is very hard.
Da budeš.
Da budeš.
Da budeš. That means to be.
Sorry?
To be.
To be.
in my video.
Okay.
Da budeš.
Da budeš u mom video. Mom video means like in my video. Okay. I think to some simple Hindi funny words.
Yeah.
In India, when like someone is irritating you, like suppose if you have a friend who is irritating you and like you are getting serious, you will say dimag means brain, kharab mat kar.
Kharab mat kar.
Yeah, like don't like stop pissing me off. Dimag kharab mat kar. And sometimes when you are pissed off, suppose like you bunked your college and your parents came to know about that, so you will say what lag gayi. What lag gayi means like we are screwed.
Oh, what lag gayi.
And in I'm your friend, like female friend, male friend, anyone, we have a common word known as bantai. Bantai. You can like tell. Bantai.
Bantai.
Yeah, Bantai means like we can call anyone as a friend, or I can call you Bantai, you can call me Bantai. Do you remember any of the word which I taught? Apart from Bantai, because I taught you recently.
And something in the first, like in the brain.
Dimag. Kharab. Mat kar. Damn, you can remember, right? It was proper. Or you are telling me dimag kharab mat kar. I mean, like, are you telling me that don't irritate me, or like?
Oh no. Not yet.
Oh, not yet. I mean, like, she will say everything.
We were dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling. The way my lips feel on your body. The way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
Oh, I will. I like spicy food, so it couldn't be a problem. Really fun, and I asked them about, you know, stuff you can see in India, and the little girl was like traffic and nothing else. She's really pissed off at India and
Why
the
so?
cars.
But that doesn't make the like country ugly. Like this, I have been here. In my YouTube, this video is there. The water is so crystal clear, like it's so deep, but you can see single stone. You can't. It's like the boat is floating. मैंने इनको मेघालय का फोटो दिखाया.
Looking for something steady, not ready for that. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine.
So what made you come to Serbia and Albania and Russia? How did you know about Serbia at all?
To be very honest, first of all, Serbia is visa free. Run around applying for visa, and secondly, Serbia is like, I have seen many videos in YouTube also. It's very beautiful, and the people are very sweet over here, like how you are. Taste was awesome, and thank you so much for recommending this. Our total bill was like around 875 dinars, which is equal to 700 rupees of Indian currency. So now where are we going?
Okay, so we're going to the Skadarlia street. It's the Bohemian quarter. Yeah.
Which quarter?
Bohemian.
Bohemian.
It's like a traditional Serbian restaurant and with food, drinks and everything. Yeah.
Okay, so we are just going to walk around there. And she's daring me to remove this jacket and walk 1 kilometer. How far is it?
No, it's not 1 kilometer. It's a little less.
Okay, so she's asking me to like remove the jacket.
Yeah.
It's recording. So guys, the time has completed. इसलिए अभी ये पहन रहा हूँ. Thank you so much for this, Jel. I will avenge this.
It was my pleasure.
The way my lips feel on your body, the way we're moving in the dark. With every breath we take, you're falling.
It's like it's fully empty as of now.
Yeah,
I can
now?
see like
Yeah.
no people are, like maybe because this is a weekday.
Yeah, it's like a Tuesday, so.
Okay.
But Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays, Sundays.
Yeah.
It's full and it's crowded and it's loud.
You're falling in love. Every move that I make it. In love, in love, in love. Every breath that we're taking. With every step you're falling in love. Every move that I make it. In love, in love, in love. I'm the best thing that has ever happened to you. Here's your time to shine. Now show me what you can do. Make a move. The way my hands feel on your body, the way we're dancing in the dark. With every move I make, you're falling in love, in love, in love. The way my lips feel on your body.
And we are back to the Republic Square after having a cup of coffee. So guys, first of all, I would like to thank Anna. She made me try some local traditional food, and it was like I had a quality time with you. And of course, I hate you because she dared me to remove the jacket in this crazy cold weather. Yeah.
What? No.
Vanakkam.
Vanakkam.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
मैं हूँ Anna.
मैं हूँ Anna. Okay.
So guys, training दिया है. Now she'll repeat.
Vanakkam.
Namaste.
Namaste. Salam alaikum.
मैं हूँ Anna.
मैं हूँ Anna.
You have to repeat. You
okay.
You copied it from me.
Vanakkam. Namaste. Salam alaikum.
मैं हूँ Anna. Again, I won't leave you.
Okay. Vanakkam. Namaste. Salam alaikum. मैं हूँ Anna.
Like, we are winding off this video. So guys, if you have spent your precious time watching this video till here, then don't forget to hit the like or the dislike button. Also, do suggest your thoughts in the comment section. As usual,
Dream bigger, achieve
bigger, and
stay away from negative energy.
Having said that, signing off, Backpacker Milchis and beautiful
Anna.